Yo, what's up guys? JT back here with another video. This is Model Railroad in the Southwest. Well, I'm back from Scene 2926 in Albuquerque. It was a really good time. There was a ton of people there. I had a hard time taking pictures and taking videos just because it was kind of cramped there. And there was just a lot of people walking around and it was kind of hard, navigating through the area. But I was able to speak to a lot of people and it was a lot of fun. I got a lot of information. Everybody was super helpful and just talking and stuff. But in some of the videos that I took, you really couldn't hear just because of how loud it was, so I wasn't able to use those in this video. But I thought I'd show you guys a quick little video of what I was able to get there. We got a few things over there. We got this pretty cool mug. It's pretty nice, you know? And then we got this little sign here. This is super nice here. It's pretty cool. And then there was a box of Model Railroader magazines, and a gentleman told me that just to put some donations in the box and take as many as I want. So I took a few of them, as you can see there. I got a few magazines in there that I already had, but they're just kind of worn out just because I looked at them a lot, and they're kind of tattered a bit. And over here, I got this little tote bag. I just thought it was really cool just because this is Albuquerque. This is Albuquerque station here. This is now the Greyhound bus station in Albuquerque, and also Amtrak, I believe. And then we got these cool little postcards. This is in Raton here, and then this is just like a old passenger photo. This is also in Raton as well. Try to get a. And then we got a couple of t-shirts. This is my favorite one. I really like this one. And I got this black one here. And then a couple of other postcards here. This is similar to the tote has. This is the Albuquerque station. And then here's this other one. This one's near Santa Fe and by Los Cerrillos in New Mexico. So all in all, it was a really good trip. There was a ton of stuff to see, and all the staff were really excited and really willing to tell stories and also tell the history behind the locomotive, which was really nice. I was under the impression that they were going to start up the locomotive, but I should have thought about that before, just because it would have been extremely hot and it would have been a safety issue also with all the people that were surrounding it. But it was a really great experience to see that locomotive. Just standing next to it was just amazing. Just how tall those wheels were, how tall the wheels are, and how tall the locomotive is. It's just incredible, and how big those things are until you really get in front of them. But it was a really great time. Like I said earlier, there was a ton of people. I really wasn't able to get too many videos and pictures just because I really didn't want to get in people's way. And I didn't want to ruin the experience for anybody else. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy what I did record and the pictures that I did take. So that's pretty much it for me talking. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Talk to y'all later and take care.
The diesel.
How much is the black and white? 40. 40.
This is insane. Yeah. This is insane.
Is he the one that paints these too?
I knew I wasn't going to make the cross, but I wanted to get up and watch the train go by. Yeah. So I was running a quickly.
Yes, I saw you weren't giving the okay before you put it on because I'm checking for water.
Yeah, and it comes out of the smokestack. Very
It's over here. They use the steam and they make the locomotive go. So you need the two folks. Then in here you have your firebox. That's where the fire is. When that's running.